I'm Gabriel. We are a family of 3 who love to go into adventures. Emily and Papa are fond of filming our trips and eventually decided to share it with you all. We hope to inspire you and join our journey. We are the family side trip. Come on guys, it's gonna be fun.
Bluewaters Island is a man-made island just off Jumeirah Beach coastline in Dubai that features residential, retail, hospitality, and entertainment. It is also home to the world's largest wheel, the Ain Dubai or Dubai Eye.
Wow! 365 Whoa. That is a nice place.
We booked a stunning 3-bedroom oceanfront apartment in Bluewaters Island on the weekend just before the long Eid holidays because we were trying to avoid the increased holiday rate and crowd. With 8 adults and 4 children, this accommodation suits us and has a perfect corner spot that offers magnificent views of the island. This property is managed by 365 Luxury Homes and we made our reservation through booking.com.
Yeah, I know there's a lot. You like it there?
We were also able to see some of their apartments with different views of blue waters. summer here in Dubai, so we opt to cool down by an afternoon dip at the pool. Sadly, on our way back to the apartment, Gabriel tripped on his towel and fell face first on the floor that tore his upper lip.
It's okay, it's okay. It's fine, it's fine. Please relax. Let me see, babe. Oh! It's okay, it's okay.
Fortunately, the bleeding stopped that we didn't have to take him to a hospital.
He slipped, and then his lips bleed. Show them.
You might want to consider staying in this apartment if you are looking for a place to stay in Dubai with awesome views.